Shaun T has sold over 10 million exercise DVDs. He's rocked our bodies. He's given us hip-hop abs. Now, his latest fitness craze, size, is taking the world by storm. And he's here to reveal his 5-minute butt-blasting workout you don't want to miss. Come on out, my friend Shaun T. So I love your innovativeness, and I love the fact that you make it fun. Size. Explain to everyone why it's so different from what you've already made.
Well, most people know me from making you drop down, do push-ups, jump, sweat, curse me out. They do it all.
Cursing, everything.
But I wanted to create something that people didn't think about exercise at all and just wanted to have a good time. And what happens is, if you enjoy what you're doing, the weight just falls off.
They're actually smiling behind you in that video.
Of course they're smiling. I mean, we're having a good time. And, you know, that video, you see the people dancing behind me. I mean, they learned each step by step, but by the end, they were like, oh my God, goodness, I'm really tired. Or the next day they were sore and they were like, oh, we actually worked out for a really long time yesterday. And you actually forget that you're working out when you do size.
You have a unique ability to connect to folks. Well, what makes a successful workout program work?
Well, number one rule is don't starve yourself. Most people like to starve themselves, and what happens is you starve yourself for so long and then you binge eat, and so that 5 pounds that you lost for the weekend comes back to 15 pounds. Yep. So the other thing is eat what you like to eat. You have to enjoy food, you have to love food, and most people like look at food and they're like, I'm not gonna eat that, I'm not gonna eat that, I'm not gonna eat that, but you have to eat what you like. The other thing is do what you like, not what you're told. So many times we look to see, what am I supposed to do? And most people are telling you something that they enjoy, but do you really enjoy it? So that's another thing. And then last but not least, everyone here, when you start a fitness journey, first of all, you need to know you need to take one step at a time, but the most important thing is to record the positive results. So each day, if you feel like you ate a meal and that made you feel good, eat that meal again tomorrow. If you did a workout that you really loved, put that in the bank of positivity. And if you start building up this bank, you're gonna have a wealth of knowledge and a wealth of health.
Will I get biceps like these if I do your programs? Look at these.
I mean, let's see.
It's nothing. Let me see yours.
But they're good. They're good.
Let me see the abs. Let me see the abs.
Well, I have a belt on, but, you know, they're good too.
Come over here.
You know, come on. Dr. Oz, I'm here to work you out, not to show my body off. So here we go.
We got 4 wonderful audience members. Everyone else is going to join us in the studio, and you're going to do the size workout. You're going to start that way anyway, and they're going to sort of transition to give us those bottoms you guys are always complaining about. So this is for the abs, the bottoms, the whole deal.
Exactly. So I'm going to give you one move from size, but since we're trying to really work the legs and the butt, because you know you want to look good in your jeans or in your board shorts or whatever you're wearing that day, you know, I have to step it up a notch. But we're going to start out with a little dance from size. It's going to be fun, and then I'm going to take it to you.
All right, hit it, maestro. Little music.
All right. So this first move is called drive the car. Are you guys ready? You got to bend the knees and start to drive the car. Come on, let's go. Come on, Doc. In and out, in and out, in and out. You got to work those abs. Come on, come on. Come on, stay on that beat.
Drive this way.
Open up the legs. Come on, push it down. Woo, woo, woo. Come on, push it down. Come on, nice and low. You can make the noise. Yeah, come on, come on, squeeze. Now what this is doing is working, don't stop. What this is doing is working your abs, it's working your quads, it's working your butt. The more you put the weight in your heels, you burn more calories. The other thing about leg workouts, your legs are the largest muscle group, so it burns the most calories. Are you ready? Here's 4 and 3. Here's 2. Bring your feet together.
Getting out of this car.
Come on, we're getting out of the car. We're doing a little demi squat hop. So keep going. Little bit off the ground right here. Just 2 inches up. 2 inches. Bend the knees. What this does, sometimes we start and try to go down so far. Not right and left. So you showing off now. Here we go. Sometimes we try to take it too deep in the motion, but with this, we want to start out nice and slow to burn the quads. Keep it going, keep it going. Push 8. Come on, 7.
Are you guys okay back there?
How we feeling? Not yet. You keep going, Dr. Oz. Come on. Push.
I feel like you look.
Keep going, keep going. 8 more. And 7. Is that booty working, Dr. Oz?
Believe me, it's working.
Here we go. Here's 4 and 3. Are you ready?
2.
Are you ready? Here we go. Hop, hop, knee. Slow. Hop, this is creating your balance. Hop, hop, knee. Come on. Hop, hop, knee. Good job. Lift your knee nice and high. Create the balance in your core. Let's go. Come on. Push, push, push. Keep it going. Come on, come on. Push.
It's hard.
Yes. One more time.
When your
Here we
legs
go.
get tired, it's tough.
It's time, I know. Ready? We're gonna take it faster now. Split, lunge, punch. Punch out.
Sheesh.
Opposite arm. Come on, come on. Opposite arm, Dr. Oz. Come on. Start out here and switch it up. Go. Push. There it is. Come on. Keep it going. Come on, come on. Now bend the knee. I didn't tell you to stop. Just kidding. Keep going. Keep going. Come on. Push. Come on. Now we're gonna slow it down. We're gonna slow it down. Still the split lunge punch, but we take it back. Take it back so you get your knee nice and low. Oh, you wanna do it like that? Come on, push it down. Come on, to lift your chest so you can really engage the core. No arms, just split lunge punch. Down, come on. Let's go, Dr. Oz.
Oh, God.
Come
Before I
on,
pass
ladies,
out,
let's go.
You guys keep going back there. I'm going to the outro. You can find this butt-blasting workout from Shaun T on DrOz.com. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.